Machiegni e paw tuke kama wayudo ni jotugo maraga 12 mag golf gin mago mayudo tiegruok e wi tugono e chenro mobagi mar ndalo adek mitayo kod riwruok mar golf e pacho ka kaachiel kod Royal and Ancient Golf Club mar St Andrews mar piny Scotland. Piny Kenya en achiel kuom pinje adek kende moseyudo thuolo mar tiegruok ma kama e Afrika tok piny mar Misri kod Zimbabwe. Jotugo 13 gi gin e dier e kind jotugo mathoth ma bende Col margi Paul Mackenzie kod Jonah Du Buisson tiego jopuonjregi e kidienje mopogore opogore mar yudo kaka ginyalo ng'eyo weche mag golf e kinde mabiro.
Paul, can I ask a question here? We'll do that later.
You know what? Let's get this over and then we'll walk. Wait until the left side.
These high performance trainings are really important because now coaches from outside can come give out tips and tricks on how you can manage a golf course.
When we did the change with my long game, I had a really strong grip and I thought that was perfect, but apparently it was making me hit like sometimes if I hit a bad shot, it was really a bad hook or bad draws.
We've seen really good progression with that, and the fact that they were selected for the high performance just gives a testament of where we've come from in junior golf and where we're going in the future.
I think the mix of 12 students and 6 coaches is really good. We can manage that with 2 coaches. And, you know, one of our major objectives is to try and up the standard of the coaching.